Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we're looking at the integral from 0 to pi over 2 of secant square x e to the negative secant square x dx. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button so I can continue uploading engaging and challenging integrals. So let's dive right into it. So this one, the integral from 0 to pi over 2 of secant squared x e to the negative secant squared x dx. This one can be split into the integral from 0 to pi over 2 of secant x e to the negative tangent square x plus 1. Now we are using the identity that secant squared x is equals to 1 plus tangent square x. So you can just plug that in place of secant square x. But here there is secant squared x here. Forgot that. But I'll leave this secant for now for obvious reasons, which you will see in a moment. So our integral now evaluates to to 0 to pi over 2 secant squared x. Yes, the x here. Sorry about that. E to the negative tan square x times e to the negative 1 dx. That is by splitting the exponential function secant square x times e to the negative tan of x put the squared dx. 1 over e is a constant, so it can come in front of the integral. So you can use a u-sub here. You can do this in blue pen. We can let u to be equal to tan x. So du dx is equals to secant square x. So that implies that du is equals to secant square x dx. Our integral can be written as 1 over e, the integral from 0 to pi over 2 e to the negative tan x squared times secant square x dx. But then let's do the change of limits. When x is equals to 0, what happens to u? U is supposed to be tan of 0. Tan of 0 is 0. What about when x is equals to pi over 2? U is going to be tan of pi over 2. That's tan 90, which is infinity. Our integral now becomes 1 over e integral from 0 to infinity of e to the tan square x. So that is e to the negative u squared times secant square x dx. Secant square x dx is du. So we have moved everything from the x world into the u world. So this integral, we now have to evaluate this integral. This is the Gaussian distribution. It's a Gaussian distribution. The Gaussian distribution states that if I can switch, the Gaussian distribution says that the integral from negative infinity to positive infinity of e to the negative x squared dx is going to be the square root of pi. However, this is the half Gaussian distribution because we have integral from 0 to infinity of e to the negative x squared dx. That is going to be square root of pi over 2 because this is half of this one. So our integral looks like the half of the Gaussian distribution, which is just equal to the square root of pi over 2. So in that case, our integral 1 over e integral from 0 to infinity of e to the negative u squared du is going to be 1 over e times the square root of pi over 2. and that should be the square root of pi over 2e. So therefore, our integral, which is the integral from 0 to pi over 2 secant square x e to the negative secant square x dx is going to be the square root of pi over 2e. So this is the answer for this definite integral. So if you find that helpful, make sure to smash the subscribe button for more content. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.